So we put a new toilet in our house, and after some 6 months, the water would fill up and it would still leak from the inside. You can't see anything going in here. Let's see how it's filling up again. So I'll wait for me to kind of fix this. So I'm gonna shut this valve off. All right. I'm gonna take the water out. I'm sorry, I don't have anybody helping me. So this is what I have. So the way that mine works is like if you turn it around, at some point you can actually pull this off, right? Most likely if yours is a double valve, double flush, it will be the same. So the problem is this rubber gasket right here, it actually stopped sitting correctly in there. So that's why water keeps like running. So what I do is see if I can find something here to help me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab something to pull this off. Alright, just to grab it. So so this rubber gasket comes off. And what I do, I just turn it around and put it back. So let's see. So I just turn it like the other way. I'm gonna come in, put it back, turn it, open my valve there. Let's wait for a little bit. See if we fix it. All right, so right there, I can't hear the water running anymore. So just turning that seal around would give you like a couple months worth of like a not leaking, and then a couple months from now I'll just like flip it around again, and then we just keep going like flipping and flipping. All right, thank you. Hope it works for you too.